Gusto ko lang malaman yung opinion mo about AI replacing call center jobs.
Siguro po yung management.
What's up, Meta Peeps? For this episode of our ambush interview, dinayo natin ang BGC Taguig para makipagkwentuhan sa ating mga call center agents.
At para malaman na rin natin yung mga pinagdaanan nila during their application process. Kaya tara!
Makichika na tayo sa kanila. Anong account po hawak niyo?
Social media.
Same po kayo.
Same.
Sa ngayon po is LCO.
Social media.
Mahirap ba yung account mo?
Hindi po. We are doing tickets lang po sa account namin. Para lang po siyang back office. So wala po kaming kausap na customer.
Hindi po.
Okay, all good naman.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang, it depends naman sa process and syempre sa adaptation din ng tao, gano'ng kabilis na makukuha. Everything naman is depends sa proseso technically. Wala namang madaling trabaho sa una.
Anong madalas na concern ng mga customers?
About sa accounts nila, for example, nalock yung account, na-disabled, or na-forgot yung password.
Anything about social media, yun.
Yeah, say social media.
Usually po, regarding lang po sa mga social media accounts. Since kami po kasi yung nagtitake down ng mga accounts. So, they're required to appeal, then we're going to answer it.
Sample naman po ng opening spiel nyo if okay lang.
Currently, we are non-voice kasi. So, we don't really have pinning spills. And majority of the responses are canned responses. So, naka-embed na siya sa system.
For example, yung manghihingi kami ng email, can you give me an email address that is not associated with any accounts or it is safe and you have an access?
Nung nagko-calls ka before, nakapag-Tagalog ka na ba? Okay, can you still remember anong Tagalog yung nasabi mo?
Opo.
Ay, opo din, okay. So yeah, usually opo, kasi tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa gano'n, no?
Yeah, once, way back 2016.
Naalala nyo pa po yung mga words na nasabi mo?
Opo. So, that's one of the words talaga na nasabi ko.
Hindi pa naman.
In character ka naman, nasa CSR before.
Opo.
Okay, that's good. What's the most challenging part of your job right now?
Attendance.
Attendance talaga.
Same attendance and syempre behavior ng mga agents.
So basically, yung job po is all good naman, walang problema.
Yeah.
Siguro po yung transportation po. Kasi sa Makati pa po okay. Mahirap po kasi mag-commute pag mula Makati hanggang dito po sa BGC. So, buti na lang may angkas po. May mga tsaka move it, ganun po.
Okay, so far, yung mismong job itself is not that challenging naman.
Di po, sobrang dali lang po talaga eh. Parang mas gusto ko na lang po pumasok sa nasa bahay lang kasi sobrang gaan lang po talaga ng work. Kasi parang wala, pwede ka mag-ayahay, ganun.
Okay, so kaya kahit malayo, you're still going to work every day.
For me, current account, walang masyadong challenging na complaints or any concern. Parang ang dali lang niya, easy account siya.
Okay, chill lang. What's the best thing that you like about your company as of now?
Siguro po yung management. Kasi very considering po sila sa mga situation if ever. Like kunyari pag nagkasakit ka ganun. Then yung career growth din po parang mas madali lang. Since madali lang po yung account.
Number one, benefits.
Yeah, they're very open to opinions. So they have this open door policy where they welcome people or they welcome employees to be open when it comes to giving feedbacks. Mga ganun.
Pinapahalaga nila yung employees, binabagyo nila kami. Tapos, very mahilig sila magbigay ng incentive.
Okay, very generous, no? Gusto ko lang malaman yung opinion mo about AI replacing call center jobs.
Yung mga customer or users kasi, parang ayaw nilang nagtatalk sa AI.
No! God, please, no!
So, pag nagkaroon ng AI, maghahanap pa rin sila ng human.
Okay, so iba pa rin talaga yung tao, no? Kasi may emotions, may empathy, something like that.
Well, changes, pero normally it's because of innovation din. So, we'll just welcome changes or innovation, pero eventually, there will still be time that they will still need to get the help from yung talagang need ng human interaction.
Okay, iba po rin po talaga yung tayo mismo mag-a-assist sa customer, no?
Yeah, same lang din. Our AI kasi is more on robotic responses eh. So, hindi makukuha ng AI yung mga empathy ng mga agents talaga or yung mga call center agents talaga. So, more on robotic and mga basic lang naman ang kaya nila i-provide.
And that's it for our BGC Ambush interview. Where else do you want us to visit next?
You can suggest by leaving a comment ng mga lugar na gusto nyo pa naming puntahan for our ambush interview.
Thanks for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!